start planting weed and sell it to pharmaceuticals.
Right.
So you can get a license for that.
Yeah.
But to have someone die over 5 Ghana cedis grass, where are we getting to? I've been on this platform several times, and I'm grateful to your network for the opportunity you always give to me Monday morning, immediately after my Sunday worship. And I have stated considerably that from the 15th of January, right up to yesterday, there's been pockets of clashes everywhere. Do you know that these pockets of clashes will not end because the solutions have not been meted out? And I'll state it again. 15th to the 16th of January, in Kwanta South in Oti region, there was a chieftaincy dispute, a gunfire and arson. 3 people died. On the 28th of February, there was another chieftaincy and communal attack, and victims were burned. 3 people died. That was in Nanik in Northeast. On the 9th of April, in Upper East region, Boku, there was a market dispute, police barracks attack, 1 person died. On the 22nd of April, Domiabra, there was a land demarcation issue, and there were 6 people that were injured. Between the 25th of June to the 28th of June, in Kwanta South in Oti region, there were renewed clashes. Remember, on the 15th of January to the 16th of January. Yeah. So there were renewed clashes. Okay.
Schools were shut down.
Yes, that one, more than 3 people died. On the 24th of August, the Bangiri dispute, 34 people died. 48,000 of them are displaced. And on the 27th of August, some people were arrested in Daboya. They had missiles, they had rifles, they had guns. The police took their arms from them and they released them back into the community. 12 of them. On the 26th of August, Homowo clashes. You remember?
Yeah.
2 people died, including the son of a king. On the 30th of August, Soutuom, just around the corner, there was a rival chieftaincy issue. 3 people died. On the 10th of September, in Sampa, in Bono, people died. Kofodia, Tamale, technical. Some people died. And just yesterday, in Kokorotumi, where next? We are not safe in this country. And the more I receive intelligence from the east of this country, the west of this country, the south and the north of this country, I don't think that the president is in charge. He's almost losing grip of the security situation in the country. He must immediately appoint a minister for defense, designate, call parliament appointment committee to vet that person so that the security can be in place well. The police seems overwhelmed with the situations that are happening. I have heard reliably from my constituency, and this is what they have told me, that there are new changes in the command of the police in the region and in the constituency. The current commander was in Volta region. He lasted for 1 week. The taxi drivers in my constituency called me and they told me that they wanted to do a demonstration because when they are driving and they are picking passengers in the constituency, the police are arresting them for parking at wrong places. My constituency is a village. It's a village. It's a proper village. So I get scared. It's about 90 minutes from Accra. Tafo, Kokoritumi, I get very scared. That's where the municipal is.
Right.
The taxi drivers went and saw the MCE, Jose, and told him that they are going to do a demonstration. Jose had to plead and say that please exercise patience. He's going to talk to the command. So really, what is happening in this country? The center cannot.
And I am a Casano Biakasi, a diatel. It's simple. IGP, Honorable Mr. Christian Teteyowonu, Kukurantumi, a chromo, Kosia, when I may score. When I may score, Kukurantumi police station or chromo, when I may score. IGP police for no Mumbai and Hobay, no Mumbai in Japadia Hobay, and also Munkumi and Omjian can free SM. He said their court is soon for Sobio IGP. Court is soon for Sobio. And our police for no much crime for no much criminal no much within no much obia. Yen to me for no cotumian processing for court. Na yanka say ade to me sha yen sem abru nipa no kuni fi asase fati ase so. IGP me dem ni obia bisa no because you are the Inspector General of Police. It is a TBB Asifa Ghana Police one. You are the right person to question. He said, police for no more and who come here. They are yate. There is this police guy in Aguna Snowdrew. Or a fool and robber. He's a police officer, but an armed robber. Armed robber. Ankasa. He's called Frank Mensah, aka Pilato. Go phone him no maboni din e video him. People start tagging him. Otie me so ontie. Say me say I am robber. Into your pound family court and on family my police for be no bet me. And now find a bet me intimidating me. No Miami the same robbery things na ya be boa be pre what so say obeja mobile money password am no mo ankasa send sika am ho de omo pe. Anya sad they will beat you, kill you in the bush and leave your body there. Adechi omo ankasa aba be catch or say dead body found in one. It is the police killing the people.
Ghana for more kuku anti na police for. Ama kwati obi na ma buna. Ana omo so omo be shi omo dan no head omo police station. Mo he. Ama kwati obi abuna mana wu. Take for mo show omo ka be my say kwati obi police ni chi obi na obo ni mani wu. Mo he. Ama shi omo fi ade nyina. Ma ya se. Where is the radio? Mo de o maye. Ya chi obi mane bu ni mane hu ana. Mo ka ye tie mo. O ma bu boy na mane hu. Tito Ghana mo nyina mo sho ma bu boy na. Am wa hu. Yes o mu ye be so police station nyina. Se Ghana police. Oni ba obu obi mane hu ye be fu ma do.
Ina bo traviesa ramo. Mas eu vou botar uma coisa no cu. Vai. Ina bo. Essa, ei. Ei.